My father bought Hugh, along with a piece of land not fit enough for a cow to graze upon.
I like the fresh air. I like being outside.
Take it off. Your nightdress, take it off. Face the wall. Face the wall!
Where is my husband gone?
Away.
To do what?
Nothing for you to concern yourself with. I leave for London this morning. You'll be on your own for a while.
Are you lost? It is not good to be without company for too long, I think. You must be anticipating the return of your father-in-law, Mrs. Lester, and your husband.
Do you love me?
Of course.
Do you adore me?
Of course.
Through hell and high water, I will follow you. You're home.
And you've acted so very shamelessly and so very stupidly. You will never see that man again.
Where's your husband? You've heard nothing from him?
Not a word. To the cross. To the
Prison.
To the grave. To the
The sky.